why I use ashes. Couple big reasons. One, cost. Have a wood stove. Ashes are cheap. But there's other reasons. It's not just cost. First of all, this bucket here, which is half full, if that was full of sand, it would weigh probably 3 times that. Same thing with salt, at least twice as heavy, probably 3 times as heavy. And if I was going to do all the sidewalks, I'd have to have that thing full. So it's heavy, and carrying it around is hard on the back with sand and salt. Ashes, not so bad. The other reason is ashes stick. So as soon as it's down, you start walking on it, it's got traction. It's instantaneous decrease in the slippage. That's not true with salt. They use salt to lower the freezing point, so it stays liquid longer or doesn't freeze as quick. That's why on roads they use sand and salt, because the sand does give you the grip like ashes does. Sand is gritty and it will stick. So effectiveness is one big reason. Cost is another one. And putting it down, it's a lot lighter. So I can carry it around, less stress on my back. The only downside is it is dirty. So stay downwind when you're putting it down. Wear a mask if you want to. If you don't want to be breathing it in, so wear a mask or stay downwind. And sometimes you have to, if it's windy, it's harder to put down. You kind of have to throw a handful down, and then it'll spread out. So today's not, so it's going to be easy. I just stay. There's just a touch of air movement, just enough to keep it going away from me. Okay, so let's put down our ashes, and the sidewalks are cleared, but some ashes there in case it starts to freeze. And the other thing about ashes is they stick to your feet, like your shoes. So the bottom of your shoes has some ashes on it. So if you don't get everything, let's say you don't get a uniform coat, it's okay, because they're picking it up in one spot and it's still with them. It's still giving them grip. Is it a guaranteed no fall? No. You still have, everybody needs to be careful, but it's a helper. It's a big helper. Okay, I just did these steps. And let's go do that side hill, because that's the worst part.